So in the previous problem, we had solved this kind of a question. Since this came, or to say, a bit down, that's not a problem. You can simply reduce this line, right? So the total length was 59. You can simply change it to 20. See? So now that's not a problem. It looks small enough. So here you have to do one thing. So to do that, I'll just copy this much, okay? Few extra things have been copied. Okay, so I don't want to copy all those things. I'll take only this much. Anyways, all those things are being copied. Move, turn the copy on. So I'll just copy this, hit escape, then I'll delete this. I don't want the arrange. Control 1, minimize for a moment, please. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Delete, 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 and then YouTube delete. Man, the time I took to delete all these things, I could have made it once again. So I'll keep this as width as 0.05, okay, and I have to draw a line also. $15, right? Hit enter. 15 done. Escape. Now see what I have to do here. Sorry, bro. I just wasted your time. I have to do one thing, but that's not a problem. Time has not wasted. I'll just select this part. Move. Copy is on. So these 4 lines, right? I'll move it like this. I'll keep it here. No need. That's it. So now what I have to do? Watch carefully. Since you have to make a cylinder, you have to do a few steps. That is, first you have to uh, put the X thing. Okay, done. Is it proper? I'll do it once again by selecting proper edges. See, if you are doing in book, you have to put this, and this is not necessary, but for beginners, you have to know this. So now what I have to do, from this edge point, I have to place it here. Okay, from this, I have to place to this point. Okay, then from this corner, I have to place it here, and then from this corner, I have to place it here. You're seeing this kind of thing was being built. Now what you have to do, you have to select arc by center point. Okay, select this edge point. From the line come to this point, then go till here. Okay, select this from the line. Okay, from here you go here. You see what happens if you go from here now and select, it won't come. Okay, it's coming this time. Usually what happens, it will go behind somewhere. Then what you have to do, you have to select the center, select this point. See, like I said, sometimes it will happen like this. You don't have to do that. Come here. Oh, wait, you have to do from center, not this center. 1 second. Instead of selecting this center, you have to select this intersection point. Tap to this point and come here. Same way, select, see, first go on this line, then go on this line. Come, you will get an intersection point. Tap on this point, come to this point. Done. Hit escape. Now what you have to do, move option, copy is on, select this whole thing, copy from one point, and I'll keep it here. Okay, then now what you have to do, take a line. Since it was how much, 35, right? 35, hit enter, minus 30, enter. Done. Now what you have to do, move option, but copy is off now. Now you have to select this whole, this thing should come here. Now I'll zoom it out. Now you just have to join the lines from this corner to this. So I'll just join here. Okay, it's same, right? Then from here it's already is there here. Okay, so all 4 lines are there. Now what you have to do? This tangent is there, right? You have to drag a line to this edge. Sorry, okay, sorry. So here you have to select a point carefully because now this thing is circle, right? So when you are joining the lines, you have to show 4 lines coming towards it properly, and you just have to join them. So while doing in book, you just have to select a point randomly. So you have to select a point in such a way it's just a tangent, right? Join it like this. Same way you have to join like this. See it done. If I hit escape, you can see usually you have to take from this center to this center. Sometimes you have to take tangent. It automatically it takes the tangent. Okay. So now you have to highlight the visible edges. Okay. This whole circle is visible. I'll select this line, this arc. This line is visible. This is visible. Now see in this place, this arc is visible, but this arc is only half visible. So for now, 0.4, hit enter. Okay, but now I have to split this arc. Select, select this arc, split at this point. Select this arc, split at this point. Now control 1, A, control, style, width, 0.4, hit enter. I hit 0.4, bro. What is this? 0.4. Okay. See, now it's done. So now what I will do? See, this thing was waste. Now I have to replace this thing with this thing. Okay. So I'll simply copy our cube this time. Just our cube. Move option. Copy on. I'll select a part. Okay. I'll just place it here. Escape. Escape done, right? Now I'll zoom it. I'll delete some unnecessary lines. So I'll delete all those things. Okay. Delete. Delete. That's it. I think nothing else is required to delete. Now I'll zoom out. I'll select this whole thing. Move option. Copy off. I'll select the center. Okay. I hope that's the center. Yeah, that is the center. And I'll put it in this center. Escape. Zoom in. Zoom in. Now you can see here. This part is saying it's hidden. So what I will do? I'll select trim option and I'll trim this line. I'll trim this. Okay. Then do I need this? Yeah. Now I'll select extend to next option. I'll extend this line and I'll extend this. Okay. And now I have to mark a few lines as hidden lines. And what are those lines? This circle ka this place is there, right? Usually people forget to do that. So this style 0.35 type hidden, enter, over. So why did the color of this change? Not a problem. Maybe just because I had copied the same thing. Let me give dimension for this and for this I'll give a little far. Done. What else is required? See, over, right? So now you understood how to. I'll do escape. You understood how to do this and how to do that. So if I rearrange this properly, why are you selecting them? It's just this much. I'll move and keep here properly. I'll move this without copy on. I'll move here, then I'll move this. I'm just making it look neat. Okay. So if I have to move it again, I can select this point. I can move like this also. Okay. And this thing looks a little move. Okay, we'll move it properly. First, I'll move it here. Then again, I'll select move option. Then I'll move it properly. Now I can see, right? I tapped by mistake. Anyways, it came good. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say bye. That's it. Video is done. You can see the next video and understand what is there to do.